Hello बच्चों, let's read the following question. The question says, following table summarizes the difference between light reaction and dark reactions. Light reactions and dark reactions. First statement is, light reactions are also called as biosynthetic phase. Dark reactions are also called as photochemical phase. Second statement is, light reactions occur over thylakoids. Dark reactions occur in stroma of chloroplast. Third statement is, light reactions produce assimilatory power, that is NADPH2 and ATP. Dark reactions consume NADPH2 and ATP. Light reactions are directly dependent upon light. Dark reactions depend upon the product synthesized during light reaction. Which of the above pair of differences is or are incorrect? Is it option A is 1 and 4, B is only 2, option C is 3 and 4, option D is only 1. So, हमारा यहाँ पे जो की कॉन्सेप्ट है वो है light reactions and dark reactions. So, हमारे जो लाइट रिएक्शन होते हैं ये होता है हमारा फोटोकेमिकल फेज, जबकि हमारा जो डार्क रिएक्शन है वो होता है हमारा बायोसिंथेटिक फेज. सो हमारा जो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है वो हो गया इनकरेक्ट. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट है, दीज रिएक्शंस अकर ओवर थैलेकॉइड. सो लाइट रिएक्शंस हमारे ग्रेना में होते हैं, राइट, और हमारा जो डार्क रिएक्शन होता है वो होता है स्ट्रोमा में. सो हमारा सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज, दीज light reaction produce assimilatory power, that is NADPH and ATP. So in the light reaction the end product is ATP and NADPH2. So these are the end products. जबकि हमारा जो end product होता है डार्क रिएक्शन का, that is glucose and ATP and NADPH is used. और हमारा ग्लूकोज क्या होता है? ग्लूकोज इज द एंड प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट. हमारा जो फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट है, these are directly dependent upon light. So light reactions are directly dependent upon light, जबकि dark reactions depend upon the product synthesized during light reaction. That is also correct. So हमारा जो incorrect statement है, incorrect statement is only statement number 1. So the answer would be option D, only 1. I hope you understood it well. All the best.